Ready to take fleet maintenance to the next level? Introducing TMT Fleet Maintenance, a trusted partner to the biggest fleets in North America for decades. We've changed and improved a lot in those years, but the best has yet to come. In the last 2 years alone, we have made 300+ product enhancements. Here's everything that TMT can do for your team. Breakdown management, repair order management, warranty and core recovery, vendor and OEM integrations, parts inventory and purchasing, and preventative maintenance. And we keep on evolving. Our newest feature, Road Call AI, receives inbound breakdown calls and creates a ticket automatically, allowing your team to manage multiple calls simultaneously with speed and accuracy. Road Call AI communicates seamlessly with TMT, revolutionizing breakdown management. Create powerful workflows for your team to efficiently handle any breakdown disruption. Streamline driver interaction with event call logging. Monitor weather, traffic, and distance. Partner integrations such as International 360, Travel Centers of America, and Freightliner Service Tracker. Empower your technicians with our Technician Portal responsive application. Eliminate the need for a kiosk and give your team the flexibility to work anywhere. The Trimble Parts Network database expedites part creation in TMT with accurate VMRS coding. TMT eliminates the need for manual paperwork. Utilize powerful vendor invoice integrations or the AI invoice scanner to automatically capture the data you need and simplifying service administration. Talk to your customer representative to learn how to take full advantage of TMT Fleet Maintenance.